Hi everyone, greetings from Samugapani Anand channel, and this is your social worker speaking. Thank you for your great response for our previous episode. And for those who haven't watched it, we have given the link below in the description. This time we tried something different and we tried an experiment with food and children at home. For our experiment, we put two closed plates containing food in front of you. Imagine that your favorite dish inside both the plates. Both the plates contain chicken 65 prepared under different conditions. As we open the plates, you have to choose which plate you would choose to eat and keep it in your mind till the end of the video. We conducted the same experiment with people from different age groups. All of them were given the same plates and had no clue regarding how they were cooked. They were asked to choose a plate that looks appealing to them and take a piece from it to eat. We got a few bloopers along the way. Wait till the end of the video to watch them. You might be wondering under what conditions they were cooked. Well, one plate was brought from a restaurant, and it didn't surprise us that majority of participants chose that plate. We are pretty sure that some have guessed it already. Keep watching till the end of the video to find the answer. Why do we eat food? Food is something that appeals to all humans, irrespective of their age, and we cannot survive in this world without food. The aroma from our neighbor's kitchen, any well-presented dish is more than enough for us to have cravings for it. Warning: this video may create temptations for the viewers to have any type of food. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Have you ever given a thought on what you eat? Does the food that you eat give you nutritional benefits? You might say yes, but what about the various side effects or health hazards that arise due to it? We live in an era where we get what we want with the touch of a button. As we grow more into a tech-friendly society, the sad truth is we become lazier. With the increasing online food delivery apps that appeals to customers by providing huge discounts at the touch of a button, you get your desired food at your doorstep in 20 to 30 minutes. That means less people are cooking at home. Are we even bothered about how the food we order is being cooked, the quality and its hygiene? Do you even know how old the raw materials are? Let's be honest here. We just review what we had based on the presentation, its taste and what quantity we got. Most of the times, we don't care what impacts it has upon us. And just like that, harmful substances like MSG, also called as Ajinomoto, and various other condiments have become an irreplaceable part of our diet. Even daily consumption items like milk has been added with chemicals to increase their shelf life. Most times, the food we eat looks appealing only because of the rich colors it has and the aroma it produces. It's only because of these reasons that majority of the people in the experimental video which you saw before chose the same dish. Are we eating food with our eyes? An astonishing amount of foods are processed with artificial food colors. food products like candies, ice creams, fruit juices, cake, soft drinks have colorants. It is not a secret that we Indians have our tea. We have tea so much such that we have more than 30 varieties of it. We drink it for our breakfast, we drink it in the afternoon, and if there's any chance, we wouldn't mind making it as staple as water. And even tea have colorants. Colors acts as an association for food. So in the absence of the right colors, manufacturers add them to their products and the consumers get used to the idea of this color that they buy it blindly. Do you know, food companies add more than 15 million pounds of artificial food dyes to our food each year. Artificial food colorants were originally manufactured from coal tar, which comes from petroleum or crude oil. Today, most synthetic food dyes are derived from petroleum or crude oil. These food dyes are much cheaper to produce than their natural counterparts. They have a longer shelf life than natural food colors. The most common example for this would be any fruit juice or extract that is commercially available in the market. If one juice is lighter than the other, we believe that it is poorer quality. One of the most widely used dye is Red 40 or Allura Red. Most food items that we consume from restaurants as well as packed goods contain this dye, which when consumed in large quantities can cause hyperactivity in children, lymphoma, as well as damage to our DNA. Each have their own share of health side effects if utilized in an uncontrolled fashion. The next time you go outside and your little kid asks for a colorful, vibrant looking food item, think about what we just told you. The plate that 7 of 8 people in the experiment chose was the one that contains food dyes. Keep in mind that they chose it based only on its looks and aroma. Meanwhile, enjoy a quick chicken 65 recipe, which was actually placed before the participants of the experiment in the other plate. Bon viewing. We appreciate every sincere effort made by parents to avoid maximum chemicals from their children's food. Because what we eat is what we are, and what we eat can either build us or kill us. So try and cook healthy food for your children at home. So the next time you consume a food item, be careful whether it will build you or whether it will kill you. So please subscribe our channel, Share this video to as maximum families, societies, authorities as possible so that we bring up a healthy generation for the future. Thank you. Thanks for watching. You might be waiting for the details of the contest. This contest is to appreciate efforts of everyone who cook at home. You just have to send across the photos and videos of any food item that you made at home, and the video should be less than a minute. You should send them to the WhatsApp number mentioned in the description. They will be posted on our Samuga Paniyalan Facebook page. The most liked photo and video will win separate cash prizes from us. More details on our YouTube channel and the Facebook page.